Welcome to aminacademy.com. In multivariable calculus regarding multiple integrals, let us do Fubini's theorem. If f is continuous on the rectangle r equal x comma y, where a is lesser or equal to x, lesser or equal to b, and c is lesser or equal to y, lesser or equal to d, then double integral of region R f of x comma y dA is equal to integral a to b and integral c to d f of x comma y dy dx is equal to c integral c to d and integral a to b f of xy dx dy. In general, this is true if we assume that f is bounded on R. F is discontinuous only on a finite number of smooth curves and the iterated integrals exist. In Fubini's theorem, here if integration is reverse in order, then the value will be same. That means first integral is a to b and c to d f of xy dy dx is equal to, here the order is reversed, that is c to d and a to b f of xy dx dy both are equal. Now let us understand this by using some example problem. Evaluate double integral with region R x minus 3y square dA where R equal x comma y, a is lesser or equal to x, lesser or equal to b, and c is lesser or equal to y, lesser or equal to d. Now let us do this problem. Here let us start this problem. Double integral region R x minus 3y square dA is equal to 0 to 2 and 1 to 2 x minus 3y square dy dx, which is equal 0 to 2 will integrate this with respect to y, that is treated x as constant. Therefore, we have xy minus 3y cube over 3. Then 3 and 3 cut. Y is 1 and y is 2 dx, which is equal. So we are putting the values y equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in this integral. That is, we have 2x 2x minus 2 cube minus the second y equal to 1 you are substituting, that is x minus 1 cube, which gives 0 to 2. By simplification we get x minus 7 dx. Integrating with respect to x, we have x squared by 2 minus 7x, giving limits 0 to 2. We have, that is 2 square by 2 minus 7 into 2 minus 0. So we have 2 squared is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 minus 14 is equal minus 12. Now let us do by reverse order. Same integral, we will use double integral space R x minus 3y square dA equal 0 to 2 integral 0 1 to 2 here, 1 to 2 and 0 to 2 x minus 3y square, first with respect to x, then respect to y. So which gives 1 to 2 of integral, that is we have to integrate x with respect to x, that is x square over 2 minus 3x y square, and x is 0 and x is 2 with respect to dy. So we have 1 to 2. So integrating with respect to dy, we have so we are putting the values of x equal 2 and x equal 0 we have as, that is 2 squared by 2 minus 3 into 2 y square dy. So we are having is 0 1 to 2, 2 minus 6y squared dy, which is equal 2y minus 2y cube 1 to 2, which have the value is minus 12. That means we are substituting the values to as y, that is 2 into 2 4 minus 2 into 2 cube minus using the one value for y, we will get minus 12. From this we proved Fibonacci theorem is true. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.